Hey buds, today we are giving you a camper hack. One of the things that we can't stand about campers is the really bright LED blue lights that are in certain places in here, and one of them is here with the microwave. I did not film it in the middle of the night like you would normally be able to see it, where it's super blue. You can see how blue it is now though. We came across this product in a camper group on Facebook called Dim It. And so it's a light dimming sheet that you put on over that awfulness to help cover it up so you can sleep in the dark. One of my favorite comment chains I saw in that Facebook group was how people were trying to figure out to cover up lights like that. And we used a scrap of fabric to cover it before. Before that, we also tried a koozie for a while. People get very creative to cover up those kind of lights in their campers. So we're going to show you how we're putting it on, and then we'll show you later at night what it looks like. So this is going to definitely increase the quality of sleep that we get while camping, and hopefully it will help you out too if it's something you decide to try. So first thing first, we took a slip out of here, and it almost looks like it's just tint like you would find in a car. Scissor fail. Do you need better scissors?
Dim it.
You've been dimmed. Look, you can still see it. Oh, I can't wait to see what happens at night.
I wonder if we can double dim it with a scrap piece.
Oh, look at that. You can still see it. That is much easier on the eyes. Look at that. Double dimmed. All right, it is dark out, and I'm showing you the brightness, or I guess the dimness of the Dim It. And I'm going to go over here to the side because you can see how bright it would be without this product. See there on that right side? That's how glowing and bright it was before. You can kind of peek behind it, and then look, it doesn't bother at all. You don't even really see it from across the camper. It is shocking, the difference. Fantastic product. I'm so impressed. If these lights bother you like they do us, I would highly recommend doing this little simple project. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this RV camper hack. It's something that has always bothered us, and we have not purchased certain brands of campers because of how many lights they have around inside of it. So I'm really excited that we found this, and we discovered it through some other camper Facebook groups. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, give us a comment if this product worked well for you, or if there's something else that works well also. And then make sure to subscribe, because we have a lot more hacks that we're going to be sharing with you, as well as sharing our favorite products that make camping a lot easier with an RV and a camper. And who knows, maybe sooner or later we'll pop back into our tent and go camping the way we started out originally. Anyway, thanks for watching. Just Beyond Parks has been a dream of mine for a long time, and I'm really, really proud of what we're being able to put together to share with you guys, whether it's our campsite photo videos or nature videos, these RV camper hack type things, and just so much more nature and outdoorsy and ice fishing. All sorts of stuff is coming out, so I really hope that you guys enjoy this. Thank you again so much. This wouldn't be possible without your support. So thank you, and look forward to seeing you later down the road.